Isn't it great? It's not Tesla stock, which went up 41% in the last month, 26% in the last 5 days, and then went up another 62% overnight. People who think a stock has a lot of upside would be crazy to trade in and out of it because it is very risky. Let's look at this in a bigger picture. At the end of the day on April 22, Tesla stock was worth $142.50 per share. In just 2.5 months, the stock has gone up 73.5%, or more than $100. To give you an even better idea of how bad this is, Tesla is still down about 12% from its all-time high and about 40% overall. Based on what we can see, this isn't the first time we've seen Tesla's price go through huge drops and jumps. This is normal. This is why I don't try to guess when the market will go up or down. Does Tesla look like a good deal today? I ask myself as I look into the future more than 10 years away. I'll buy it if the answer is yes. Each time since I began in 2016, the answer has been a hearty hell yes, so I've kept buying. A new picture shows Elon Musk working on the inside of the Cybercab with another Tesla inventor. In the background, you can see the outline of the car, which looks a lot like the robotaxi design that Walter Isaacson talks about in his book about Elon Musk. Some people thought that the design of the robotaxi wasn't finished yet, but these new pictures in Tesla's hype video make it look like the design is still being worked on. The car looks like it has a bench seat for 2 people. The updated seat design and wooden frame suggest that this was done to save money. It may also have doors that look like butterflies or falcon wings on the Cybercab. These doors make getting in and out of lower cars easier. It looks like Tesla's stock can't go down. What does this mean for the market and investors? This video will talk about Tesla's recent actions, such as its impressive earnings reports and strategic technological advances. Why is Tesla's stock going up when the market as a whole is uncertain? What steps are they taking that might change the way the electric car business works? We'll talk about how Tesla's dedication to new ideas and growth is boosting not only the value of their cars, but also their stock. We'll look at how Tesla is a top contender in the tech and auto industries by looking at things like improvements in self-driving technologies and aggressive global growth. Before we go any further, don't forget to click like and subscribe to get our newest material. Hi, and welcome to Tesla Stock News. To begin, Tesla's revenue predictions for 2024 have been changed from $2.70 per share to around $2.60 per share. It's thought to be between $3 and $5 in 2025. This may seem like a mixed bag, but Tesla's plans for a robotaxi service and other new businesses could really change things. Investors are debating whether to rethink or change the price of Tesla's stock. Like other tech giants in the past, if Tesla does well in these new projects, the price could go through the roof. Let's talk about what people call the Great Repricing. For the past 2 years, Tesla's stock has been going down. If it finally gets out of this slump, stock prices could change in a big way. It's like a marathon runner breaking through a wall. It changes everything. We've seen this happen with Nvidia and Meta, and Tesla could be the next one. The Cybercab's release, possible approvals for their supervised driving permit, and deals that could let other makers use Tesla's full self-driving SSD technology are all things that could push the company even further. The market could also be affected by changes in interest rates. The growth at Tesla could be like Nvidia's if they play their cards right. It would be like a rocket ride. Another interesting thing is Tesla's AI technology. There is no company like Tesla when you compare it to others. Knowing how important their AI advances are helps us make better choices, whether we're spending or just interested in how technology will change in the future. Now we'll talk about something really cool, robotaxis. Tesla might be able to use 1 million robotaxis, which would bring in about $77 billion in running income, which is a lot more than the $8.1 billion they made last year. The real question is how much value these robotaxis will add over time and how that will change the price of the stock. It's like figuring out how much a gold mine is worth before you dig up the first piece. The way Tesla is currently valued could also be used for trading. With all the talk about robotaxis and AI, Tesla's businesses could all start making a lot more money. This could raise the company's operating income per car from $3,000 to $330,000. Not just the money, but also how people see Tesla is important. It's possible that Tesla's stock performance will change a lot as people start to see the company as more than just a car company. When do you think Tesla's stock will change a lot? Innovation, investor patience, and market responses are some of the things that need to work together. It's like how Nvidia's stock went through the roof when they changed their focus. If Tesla keeps making their technology better and better, we might see the same thing happen. Tesla is no longer just a car company when you look at the big picture. They work in many fields, such as electric cars, solar screens, and batteries that could change the game. They are one of a kind in the stock market because they are pushing the limits of several businesses at the same time. But here's some advice. Don't worry, just wait, watch, learn, and keep up with the great repricing. Tesla's stock might not change a lot until rates go down. Rates that are too high can make people less likely to buy new tech like electric cars and invest in stocks. Pay attention to those rates and market rewards. There might be a big reward for people who wait. Don't forget that companies like Tesla care about more than just the present. New technologies, such as full self-driving, FSD technology, are on the way, which could make them much more valuable. It's important to think about the long term. What's making Tesla's stock price go up right now? A lot of people are talking about Tesla's recent stock split and its growing software business. This can cause the stock price to rise even when the company's finances aren't stable. The state of the economy as a whole also matters. Tesla's stock price often changes in response to changes in revenue and interest rates. In fact, Tesla's stock price doubled last year when rates were between 42 and 47. There are a lot of market stories and big players, or whales, that affect the direction of the stock. Another secret gem that isn't fully priced into Tesla's stock yet is autonomy. Elon Musk's push for better, more self-driving cars could bring in a lot of extra money. Imagine cars that can drive themselves around towns and pick up and drop off passengers. This is starting to happen, and it has a lot of money-making potential. A big part is Elon Musk's reputation and his big plans for FSD technology. He's working backwards to get robotaxis up and running as soon as possible, but some people don't trust his schedules. Not only the money Tesla makes, but also the story it tells is very important. The stock price could change a lot again if people believe in Musk's mission and FSD's progress, even if the company isn't making money right now. A general rule for the stock market is that results set the tone. When a company's earnings go down, their stock price usually goes down too. This tells buyers to look for safer investments like bonds or savings. On the other hand, money flows back into stocks when results look good and interest rates are low. It's all about how confident the market is. Even though the market is noisy, Tesla's main business is stable. They know how to make and sell electric cars for a profit, which sets them apart from many of their competitors. Tesla often takes big steps forward after a time of getting used to things, like bending under pressure, but bouncing back higher. Tesla has been successful by putting a lot of money into infrastructure, new electric vehicle technology, and other things. They're not just making cars, they're also leading a change in how people get around. They stay on the cutting edge of technology by constantly improving their batteries, tools, and production lines. This also increases their potential to make money in the future. There you have it. Today's in-depth look at Tesla's current price trends and new steps forward in the EV market. It's clear that Tesla isn't just about cars. They're changing the future of transportation. This is clear from the way earnings affect stock prices and from Tesla's strong background in technology. What do you think Tesla's next big thing will be? How do you think their new ideas will change the future of electric cars? If you learned something from this video, please like it and subscribe to Tesla Stock News to get more news and information. Click on that bell icon to make sure you don't miss any movies. Glad you watched, and see you in the next movie.